Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two 1xBet accounts. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, go to your menu, scroll down to the bottom and click on support. Once in support, click on contacts. Once in contacts, go to general queries and click on the email you see. In this email, you are going to write the object of the email to be merge account. Then you're going to write the email consisting of the motive, which is merging two accounts, and the two IDs of the account you want to merge. Then you are going to send it to 1xBet, and that will be all for this video.